Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a simple way to connect Google Sheets with ClickUp so your tasks automatically update in your spreadsheets, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you step by step through the process using Zapier, no coding required. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a quick tip to make sure your automation runs smoothly every single time. So let's dive in. First, let's understand the key tool we'll be using, a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is basically an automated workflow that connects two apps. In our case, we'll connect ClickUp with Google Sheets so that when something happens in ClickUp, it automatically updates your spreadsheet. Now, let's set up the trigger in ClickUp. Head to your Zapier dashboard and create a new Zap. Choose ClickUp as your trigger app. Then select a trigger event, for example, new task created. This means whenever you add a new task in ClickUp, Zapier will know to start the workflow. Next, connect your ClickUp account by authorizing Zapier. Don't worry, this only takes a few clicks. Once connected, configure the data by selecting the exact space, folder, and list where you want Zapier to monitor new tasks. Perfect. That's our trigger. Now let's set up the action in Google Sheets. Choose Google Sheets as your action app. Select the action event, like create new row. This means every time a new ClickUp task is created, Zapier will automatically add it as a new row in your sheet. Connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier. Again, just a quick authorization step. Finally, tell Zapier exactly where to send the data. Choose the Google Drive, spreadsheet, and worksheet. You can even map specific task details like task name, due date, or assignee to specific columns in your sheet. Once everything looks good, it's time to bring it all together. Review your Zap settings carefully, making sure the right data fields are mapped. Then hit Publish. From that point on, your Zap will run in the background, keeping your ClickUp tasks and Google Sheets in sync automatically. And here's my quick tip. If you're planning to integrate multiple ClickUp lists or use large spreadsheets, keep your sheet organized with clear headers. This helps Zapier place the data accurately and avoids sync issues. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Sheets with ClickUp in just a few minutes. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover advanced Zapier automations in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.